Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can do recap trend on this audio.
2022 season is to an end. Good night.
So let us start. To do this trend, first open Instagram. After this, go to search option and search this account. Now click on the first profile. Now slide left and go to Reels. Now here you will find a template for this audio. Click on second reel and then click on use template. Now click on add media and add your 23 photos or videos. After adding, click on next. Now your reel is ready. You can click on the video to pick a certain part from it. After adjusting your all clips, click on next. You can add text from the text option. After that, click on next. Now your reel is ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.